We're back in AllBrand Caravan Services, ladies and gents, and what I want to talk about today is servicing of suspension, shock absorbers, spring locators, bushes, wheel alignments, upgrades, and being mindful of when you are servicing your caravan, if you're doing it at home, you're actually even thinking about these things, because this area here, as we all know, is what keeps us on the road. Between our hub assembly of our bearings and our suspension, we need to make sure they are in premium condition to make sure, one, our caravan doesn't shake apart or a camper trailer doesn't shake apart, but also being mindful that we're checking bushes for play in them as well. Vans that are over 8 years old and have been serviced in people's houses, we would suggest that most of the through bolts for suspension have been worn out or have halfway worn out through the metal because they haven't been looked after, serviced, lubricated, or even been thought of pulled out to check. If that breaks, it's a major catastrophe on the road. One, for yourself, being the owner of it, but two, you can put some other people in danger on the road. So what I want you to be mindful out there is if you are doing this sort of stuff, get in, check it, check your bushes. We're about to replace all the bushes in this one here and get that sort of things. And it is a major thought of where we are afterwards to make sure they're all mint and travelling down the road and tracking correctly for you. Need this sort of work? Reach out to our team on 3869 2969. Thank you.